What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about Tesla. We got some big things going on, especially if we're holding shares or call options. One of those is going to be Tesla's in-house insurance program. It's expanding. I absolutely love it. Giving you guys my take and also the future potential for Tesla insurance. And towards like the second half of the video, we will be talking about Tesla's massive price upgrade from a recent Wall Street analyst. Those are pretty big, especially the more of those price increases you get, especially ones over $1,000 for Tesla stock goes up. First things first, we gotta talk about the in-house insurance program. This is probably one of the most interesting departments in Tesla. Usually we see Tesla as a car manufacturer. They do autopilot. They also do batteries, mega chargers for semi trucks, etc. I mean, they're a really big company. They do all sorts of different things in the clean energy sector, but also they like to go into the software insurance business as well. For example, the FSD Beta, and also right now, Tesla Insurance. These are big things. In 2019, Tesla launched its own insurance program. It was kind of weird at first, since everyone initially thought that Tesla was mostly just a car manufacturer, and they started availability in Cali. And the automaker claims up to 30% cheaper than the competition. 30% cheaper is a lot of money, but I think Tesla only insured their own vehicles and they knew their vehicles way better than the competition, and therefore they could offer a much cheaper price. And this is Tesla's second entry into the insurance industry, and they're trying to work as quickly as possible. And the new program right now called Insure My Tesla program is directly brokered by Tesla through state national insurance. And keep in mind, the automaker is much more involved in the process than you think, basically becoming an insurer themselves, which is pretty good. Now, it's always a major plan to expand Tesla insurance, and Tesla insurance has always gotten pretty good reviews. Now, the guys in California, if you're wondering, did they actually save money? Yes. A lot of people who got Tesla insurance actually said they save a large chunk of money and they'll keep using Tesla insurance. Now, obviously, if Tesla insurance really sucked, they would not be, expanding this program. But right now, Tesla's CFO is saying that they want to be integrating more and more states into the insurance program. And there's some reports saying how we could be seeing insurance going to Illinois, Texas, and Washington, which would make things really nice. Tesla also plans to use a lot of features, including driver assist features, like the autopilot, etc., and provide an insurance program that actually rates everything accurately. Other insurance companies, they don't really know that much about Tesla vehicles. They don't know the vehicles that well. A lot of times, it's simply look at the price, etc. But Tesla, they know their vehicles really, really well from inside out. I mean, these are the guys that actually make the Tesla Model 3s and the Model Ys, and they will be, offering this insurance, which is a lot cheaper. Now, CEO Elon Musk is extremely bullish on this product and has said multiple times that it could definitely be a massive moneymaker, and Tesla insurance could be reaching a valuation that represents 30 to 40% of Tesla's car business. Absolutely massive. That's a lot of money coming in. And also, Tesla recently has been having a lot of good sales. 184,000 vehicles delivered for the past quarter alone, and that's excluding the Model X and the Model S because those were not actually under production, so they couldn't actually be delivered. So with just two vehicles, the Model 3 and the Model Y, sold that many cars, and a lot of them in the United States and the North America region. I think Tesla could be doing really, really well. They could definitely get this thing up and running, and I feel like Tesla can make a lot of money from the insurance program, and a lot of people just switch to Tesla as long as it's good and it's cheap. Now, there's also a lot of talks about how Tesla, if they start conquering the insurance business, might even start expanding this business to other car companies. For example, if you buy like a Mercedes-Benz gas car and you want Tesla insurance because it's slightly cheaper, you could do it. Remember, insurance makes a lot of money. Even Warren Buffett owns Geico, and he knows how profitable Geico insurance is. And who knows, we could be seeing Tesla insurance expanding much further than just everyday vehicles. We could be seeing them expanding to like semi-trucks, maybe renters insurance, maybe home insurance, stuff like that. That would be really nice, especially how Tesla does have solar panels, the Powerwall. So it does kind of make sense to maybe offer some sort of a renter or home insurance in the future. I'm just saying you don't have to just limit yourself to making clean energy products. If you see something that's making money, go for it. This is exactly Tesla's attitude. Other car companies are not doing insurance. They're not really flexible. They're not really doing autopilot or superchargers. Tesla is. Tesla is extremely flexible. If they see something that could be a good catalyst for their stock, good catalyst for their company that can definitely make a lot of cash for the investors, they'll go for it. Right now, companies in the car industry are mostly focused on making vehicles. That's exactly what they do. Tesla is the weird guy in the group. I mean, they do autopilot, supercharging stations in a large variety of them. Now they're doing insurance. They have autopilot. It's really great to see the company just expanding much further. I think we should be seeing a lot more things going on, especially in California. There's already a lot of filings from Tesla Insurance showing that Tesla is already working on offering autonomous vehicle insurance. And that is also pretty big, especially how Tesla isn't the only company offering this sort of thing. So we could be seeing it expanding further. Let's say Mercedes-Benz, BMW, or Lyft, Uber comes out with their own autonomous driving program. They might want to get this Tesla autonomous driving insurance just to be safe. And last but not least, we got to talk about some analyst ratings. These are always kind of fun. On April 4th, Tesla released its Q1 2021 production and delivery results. And I gotta admit, these are some of the best results out there. And it came way ahead than what the streets are estimating. Fact sheet estimated at roughly 170,000 vehicles. Even the most bullish of bulls thought Tesla could only deliver 170,000 cars, but they delivered 184,000 vehicles. In response to this massive car increase, Oppenheimer analysts, which is pretty big on Wall Street, gave it a buy rating again and a price target of 1,036, which is a 54% upside, and that is huge. And the Q1 deliveries were really astonishing because not only did Tesla deliver a large variety of cars, but they also just relied on two vehicle models, which is the Model 3 and the Model Y. And this is excluding the Model X and the Model S because those guys are currently under a refresh and you can't actually get them delivered. If you want to get the Model S or the Model X, I call the representatives, they say 10 to 14 weeks, and they wouldn't start deliveries until the summer of 2021, and it's going to be like a small batch of deliveries. And we also need to start counting on future deliveries, including the Roadster, Tesla Semi, and also the Cybertruck, which is a really, really massive car that a lot of people are ordering. And we should be seeing Tesla getting more and more orders about the Megapacks and also Autopilot. Some more big changes coming in, including a massive FSD beta version 9.0 update at around September of this year. And we should be seeing full autonomy at the end of this year, 2021. I think Tesla's doing pretty well. I can't wait to see what their insurance program has to offer. I really hope they expand the insurance program as far as possible. But here's the thing, trying to expand their insurance business is also pretty difficult since there's a lot of limitations, a lot of paperwork you go through each state. It's really, really hard. It's really bothersome as well, but if they can manage to do it, it could definitely be a major disruptor. And hey, I mean, Tesla Insurance, if it really does kick off, you could be seeing a massive rally of the stock since people will start saying that Tesla is a massive insurance business provider as well. And so far, I mean, you got a lot of bears throwing the towel, calling it quits. Like the short interest went from 25% to 6%. Most people are covering their shorts, buying back the stock, and they eventually are neutral or bullish on the stock. Now right now, Tesla stock is pretty cheap in my opinion, and once they start getting a lot of this catalyst out, more car sales, we could be seeing an even massive jump for Tesla. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe. Comment below. How do you guys feel about Tesla Insurance? Do you guys like it? Do you guys not? Or are you guys just don't really care about that kind of stuff?